Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to find imToken wallet address. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open imToken application from your app drawer. Once you open up your application, make sure that you are in the correct wallet if you have multiple wallets. Tap on the drop down at the top of the screen and then select your network from the list. Make sure you are in the correct network you would like to find the wallet address for. Once you are done selecting, tap on the receive button. You will then be able to see a unique wallet address for you. This address will be displayed on the screen in a form of QR code and a string of alphanumeric character. Copy or share your wallet address on your device's clipboard by tapping on the copy button. You can share the wallet address using various methods such as messaging application, emails, or by scanning the QR code. So that is how you can easily find your wallet address for imToken. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.